Good day everybody, this is Nelca Roco again, and I have a good news for those who are keep on watching in my YouTube channel and becomes pissed off with my style of teaching. Now Dialux Germany has their own free tutorials on the Dialux Evo Basic. So go and check this free course of them. Just go to this Academy tab and then check this free Dialux basic course. I think this is very good for those who doesn't want to pay, and also for those who wants to learn the basics of Dialux Evo. That's very good. They have free videos here, and I think these are all the very basic that for a starter, for the beginners, really must understand. Okay, so go and check this one. And if you want to be certified, go and check this one. It's 89 euro. Okay, and for those who are looking for the certificate from Dial, yes, you can get this one from here. So go and enroll now or get this free video tutorials. Alright, so see you again on the next video. Enjoy learning! And of course, if you want to learn more advanced in lighting design, go and visit my Udemy courses. So go and check this one also. Of course, you need to pay a little money on this one, but sometimes I give it for free. So just be my friend on Facebook and I will announce when you can get these courses for free. Alright, watch me on Facebook or maybe on LinkedIn, or subscribe to my website, and yeah, you will get it for free. Alright, so see you on the next video. Enjoy learning!